consider the possibility that the richest person you know might not be the wealthiest. True wealth isn't about the size of your bank account, it's about how much value you find in the things money can't buy. In this video, we're uncovering the 7 things richer than money, the key elements that lead to a fulfilling life. These are principles the most successful individuals live by, but rarely talk about. Let's begin by starting with something even billionaires wish they had more of: time. Have you ever thought about the fact that time is the only resource you can't earn back? While you can always make more money, once a second passes, it's gone forever. Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest people alive, values his time so much that he deliberately keeps his calendar almost empty. Why? Because he understands that freedom of time is true wealth. Imagine working tirelessly for years, climbing the corporate ladder, only to realize you've missed birthdays, holidays, and moments with loved ones. Money might buy you convenience, but it can't buy back those memories. Freedom of time allows you to choose how to live each day, to spend it with family, to pursue passions, or simply to rest. Here's what you can do now. Conduct a time audit. Write down how you spend each hour of your day. Are you prioritizing things that truly matter? If not, start eliminating low-value activities. Say no to tasks that don't align with your goals, and yes to what truly fulfills you. The positive impact of reclaiming your time? You'll feel less stressed, more present, and far more accomplished in both your personal and professional life. And here's the best part. When you master time, you can finally focus on what really matters, like your health, which we'll discuss next. What's the point of wealth if you don't have the health to enjoy it? Steve Jobs, one of the greatest innovators of our time, once reflected on this during his battle with illness. Despite his billions, he admitted that money could never buy more time, energy, or physical well-being. That's why health is wealth, and it's far richer than any financial success. Imagine a person who works tirelessly to build their fortune but neglects their health along the way. They skip meals, ignore exercise, and sacrifice sleep, all in the name of hustling. Eventually, their body demands payment, chronic stress, illness, or worse. Now, ask yourself, is it worth it? Here's your action step. Treat your health like an investment. Start small. Commit to 30 minutes of physical activity daily. Make time for proper sleep, and schedule regular checkups. Just like compound interest grows your financial wealth, consistent healthy habits will compound into a longer, more fulfilling life. When you prioritize your well-being, the impact is undeniable. You'll have the energy to pursue your dreams, the mental clarity to make smarter decisions, and the resilience to overcome life's challenges. And when you're healthy, you can invest more deeply in something else money can't buy: relationships. Think about the happiest moments in your life. Chances are, they didn't revolve around material things, but rather the people you shared them with. Meaningful relationships with family, friends, or even mentors are among the richest treasures in life. Billionaire Elon Musk often speaks about how his personal and professional success stems from surrounding himself with supportive, innovative, and driven people. Now, picture someone who has all the money in the world but no one to celebrate with. It's a lonely existence. Contrast that with a story like that of Sarah Blakely, the founder of Spanx. She credits her success not just to her drive, but also to her husband's unwavering support and a network of people who believed in her vision. This is the power of investing in relationships. Your step today is to evaluate your circle. Are the people around you uplifting, or are they draining your energy? Take time to nurture relationships that matter. Call an old friend, plan a family dinner, or simply listen to someone you care about. The positive impact is life-changing. Strong relationships provide emotional support, create unforgettable memories, and give life deeper meaning. They also anchor you during tough times, something money can't do. But even with loving relationships, fulfillment requires one more essential element: inner peace. What good is wealth if your mind is in constant turmoil? Inner peace is the foundation of true happiness, and without it, even the richest people feel poor. Oprah Winfrey, despite her immense fortune, openly credits her success to daily practices like meditation and self-reflection. For her, peace of mind is a priority, one that keeps her grounded in a chaotic world. Consider someone who's financially successful but constantly anxious, overwhelmed, or dissatisfied. No amount of luxury can drown out the inner noise. On the other hand, a person who cultivates inner peace lives with clarity, focus, and joy, no matter their circumstances. This isn't about ignoring stress or avoiding challenges, it's about learning to handle life with a balanced mindset. Here's how to take action. Carve out just 10 minutes each day to disconnect, meditate, journal, or simply sit in silence to reflect on what you're grateful for. These small habits build resilience and help you realign with your values, making you less reactive to external pressures. The impact? Inner peace frees your mind, sharpens your decision-making, and keeps you emotionally strong. With a calm and focused mind, you can fully invest in one of the most powerful assets of all: knowledge and self-growth. Imagine having a resource that grows no matter how much you use it. That's the power of knowledge and self-growth, an asset that compounds over time and can never be taken away. Bill Gates exemplifies this mindset by dedicating hours each week to reading and learning. His belief? Continuous growth is the foundation of success, far beyond what money can achieve. Think about someone who transformed their life through learning, like Damon John, founder of Fubu for Us, by Us. He started with little money, but built an empire by learning the skills he needed to succeed. He didn't just invest in his business, he invested in himself. That's the kind of return no stock market can match. Here's your next step. Commit to lifelong learning. Pick up a book, enroll in a course, or listen to podcasts that challenge your thinking. Start with just 30 minutes a day, and you'll be amazed at how much you can grow over time. The positive impact? Gaining new knowledge expands your opportunities, sharpens your decision-making, and boosts your confidence. When you prioritize self-growth, you're not just preparing for success, you're creating a legacy, which brings us to the next thing: richer than money, leaving a lasting impact. What will people remember about you when you're gone? Your wealth may fade, but your legacy lives on, shaping how you're remembered by future generations. Jeff Bezos, for instance, isn't just known for building Amazon. He's also creating a legacy through his ventures like Blue Origin and his significant philanthropic efforts. For him, wealth is just a tool to leave a lasting impact. Consider someone who dedicates their life to making a difference, like Malala Yousafzai. While she isn't a billionaire, her legacy of fighting for education and equality is more powerful than any fortune. This proves that a legacy isn't about money, it's about the values and contributions you leave behind. Here's your action step. Reflect on what you want to be remembered for. Is it the lessons you teach your children, the business you build to serve others, the causes you support? Start taking small steps today to align your actions with the legacy you envision. The positive impact is profound. When you focus on leaving a legacy, you create meaning that transcends your lifetime. And while building a legacy is vital, the freedom to choose how you live today is another wealth far richer than money: freedom of choice. True wealth isn't about how much money you have, it's about having the freedom of choice. Mark Cuban often emphasizes this concept, noting that financial independence isn't about buying flashy things, but about having control over your life. Imagine waking up every day and deciding how to spend your time, pursue your goals, and live your values. That's real freedom. Think about someone who's trapped in a high-paying job they hate. Despite their income, they feel stuck and unfulfilled. Now, contrast that with someone who has modest means but the freedom to work on projects they love, spend time with family, or travel the world. The difference isn't the size of their bank account, it's the ability to choose. Here's your action step. Take small, consistent steps toward financial independence. This might mean creating a budget, investing wisely, or paying off debt. Each step gives you more control over your life and moves you closer to the freedom to live on your terms. The impact is life-changing. When you have the freedom of choice, you're no longer confined by external circumstances. You can create a life that aligns with your dreams, values, and passions, a life worth living. We've explored 7 things richer than money: freedom of time, health, meaningful relationships, inner peace, knowledge and self-growth, legacy, and freedom of choice. These aren't just ideals. They're the foundation of a life that feels truly abundant, regardless of your financial status. Now, it's your turn to take action. Start small. Reclaim your time, invest in your health, nurture your relationships, and build habits that lead to growth. Reflect on the legacy you want to leave and work toward financial independence, not for material gain, but for the freedom to live life on your terms. The positive impact of these steps will ripple through every area of your life, creating fulfillment, purpose, and lasting joy. Remember, true wealth isn't what's in your wallet, it's what's in your heart, mind, and actions. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's build a community that values what really matters. See you in the next video.